Welcome to a journey into the heart of Pakistan, a country known for its diverse landscapes and breathtaking views. Imagine a place where the Earth's canvas stretches from the highest peaks of the Karakoram Range to the sun-soaked beaches of the Arabian Sea. Picture dramatic sand dunes of Thar and Cholistan spreading out as far as the eye can see. Envision the lush green plains of Punjab, where life thrives beneath the generous shade of mango and neem trees. Each of these regions, distinct and diverse, contribute to the rich tapestry that is Pakistan's scenery. It's a land that effortlessly marries the rugged with the serene, the arid with the fertile, and the lofty with the level. No matter where you look, you're greeted by a unique vista that captures the soul and ignites the imagination. So, buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey through some of the most beautiful places in Pakistan. We begin our journey in the northern region of Pakistan, home to some of the world's highest and most beautiful mountain ranges. Here, the air is crisp and clean, and the peaks are painted with the hues of nature's palette, creating an ethereal landscape that's nothing short of a paradise. In this region, the Karakoram and Himalayan ranges stand tall, their snow-capped summits reaching up to touch the heavens. These mountain ranges are not just about height and grandeur, but they hold within them a serene charm that captivates the hearts of those who venture here. Imagine standing in the fairy meadows, with the towering Nanga Parbat mountain in the backdrop. The lush green meadows, dotted with wildflowers, create a vibrant contrast with the stark and rugged beauty of the snow-covered mountain. This place, often referred to as the heaven on earth, has a tranquility that transcends the ordinary, giving you a sense of being in a world far removed from the hustle and bustle of city life. Here, every dawn and dusk paints a different picture as the sun's rays play hide-and-seek with the mountains, casting varying shades of gold, pink, and purple across the sky. The starlit nights, too, hold a charm of their own, with the Milky Way stretching across the clear sky, creating a celestial spectacle that leaves one spellbound. The northern mountains are not just about scenic beauty. They are also a testament to the resilience of nature. They stand tall, braving harsh climates and extreme weather conditions, a symbol of strength and endurance. They are a haven for wildlife, providing a home to several rare and endangered species, thus playing a vital role in maintaining the ecological balance of the region. As you traverse these mountains, each turn, each bend reveals a new vista, a new spectacle, making the journey as mesmerizing as the destination. The mountains of northern Pakistan, a spectacle of nature that leaves every visitor in awe. A place where you can truly connect with nature, where you can breathe in the pure air and let the serene beauty soothe your soul. It's a paradise that's waiting to be explored, a journey that's waiting to be undertaken. From the cool mountain peaks, we now move to the hot deserts in the south, the Thar and Cholistan. A stark contrast to the alpine vistas, these deserts carry their own unique charm. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is a large arid region that straddles the border between Pakistan and India. It's a landscape of rolling sand dunes, punctuated by sparse vegetation and the occasional oasis. The vastness of this desert is awe-inspiring, a sea of golden sand stretching as far as the eye can see, and yet, it is not lifeless. In the heart of this harsh environment, resilient communities have thrived for centuries. They've adapted to the desert, their lifestyle shaped by the extremes of the Thar. Their vibrant culture adds splashes of color to the otherwise monochrome landscape. The folk music, the dance, the art, the cuisine, all reflect the spirit of the Thar. Moving further into the heart of Pakistan, we come across the Cholistan Desert. Compared to the Thar, Cholistan is a more barren landscape, but it has its own unique allure. This desert is home to the historic Darawar Fort, a grand fortress that stands as a testament to the region's rich past. The people of Cholistan lead a semi-nomadic lifestyle, moving with their herds in search of water and pasture. Their crafts, particularly pottery and embroidery, are renowned for their intricate designs and vibrant colors. The annual Cholistan Jeep Rally is a major event in the region, attracting thrill-seekers from around the world. The Thar and Cholistan, despite their harsh conditions, are not just barren wastelands. They are living, breathing landscapes, shaped by the people who've called them home for generations. These deserts are a testament to human resilience and adaptability. They are a world away from the hustle and bustle of city life, a place where the rhythm of life is dictated by the shifting sands and the scorching sun. An experience of the Thar and Cholistan deserts is truly a journey into the heart of Pakistan's cultural heritage. Next stop, the fertile lands of Punjab, known for its lush green fields and historical sites. Imagine a landscape painted with a broad brush of emerald green, sprinkled with vibrant hues of life. Welcome to Punjab, the land of 5 rivers, where nature's bounty is as diverse as its history is ancient. The countryside of Punjab is a patchwork quilt of verdant fields, where golden wheat stalks sway in the breeze, ready for harvest, and where cotton flowers bloom like tiny white clouds against a backdrop of lush greenery. Punjab, the breadbasket of Pakistan, is blessed with fertile lands, thanks to the 5 rivers that crisscross the region. It's a land that has been cultivated for thousands of years, a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of its people. Here you'll find farmers tilling the soil with the same time-honored methods used by their ancestors, a sight that is as humbling as it is inspiring. But Punjab's beauty isn't confined to its countryside alone. The region is also home to historical sites that date back to the dawn of civilization. Take a step back in time at Taxila, an archaeological site that was once a flourishing center of Buddhist learning. Or explore the ruins of Harappa, a city that was part of the ancient Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's oldest urban settlements. In Punjab, history and nature intertwine in a mesmerizing dance, creating a landscape that is as rich in culture as it is in greenery. From its verdant fields to its ancient ruins, Punjab is a place that invites you to immerse yourself in its beauty, to lose yourself in its history, and to find a piece of yourself in its timeless charm. The green fields of Punjab, a testament to the richness and fertility of Pakistan's land. Finally, we travel to the southern coast of Pakistan, where the land meets the Arabian Sea in the province of Balochistan. A land of contrasts, Balochistan is where the arid desert landscape gently embraces the azure sea, creating a spectacle that's both breathtaking and unique. The coastline of Balochistan is not just a geographical marvel, but a treasure trove of natural beauty. The sandy beaches, stretching as far as the eye can see, are a symphony of sun, sand, and surf. Each grain of sand tells a tale, and each wave that crashes onto the shore sings a melodious song of nature's grandeur. But the beauty of Balochistan's coastline doesn't stop at the beaches. Venture a little further into the sea and you'll find a whole new world teeming with life. The marine life of Balochistan is as diverse as it is vibrant. Dolphins leaping in the sea, turtles nesting on the shore, and a rainbow of fish darting in the water. It's a visual feast that leaves one awestruck. Balochistan's coastline is not just a testament to nature's artistry, but also a reflection of the province's cultural richness. From the quaint fishing villages dotted along the coast, you can catch a glimpse of the simple yet fulfilling life of the Baloch people. The sight of fishermen casting their nets at dawn, the aroma of fresh seafood being cooked, and the melodious folk tunes that fill the air. It all adds to the charm of this coastal paradise. The coastal areas of Balochistan are a living, breathing canvas painted with the colors of nature and culture. It's a place where silence speaks volumes, where the wind carries tales of old, and where every sunset is a poetry in itself. So come, embark on this journey with us. Explore the unexplored, experience the magic of Balochistan's coastline. The coastal areas of Balochistan, where the desert meets the sea, a sight to behold. We've taken you on a whirlwind tour of Pakistan's most scenic spots, each with its own unique charm and beauty. We've journeyed from the majestic peaks of the north, where serenity meets the sky, to the mystical deserts of Thar and Cholistan, places that tell tales of time gone by. We've roamed the lush green expanses of Punjab, where nature's palette paints a vibrant landscape, and ended our journey at Balochistan's captivating coastline, where the sea whispers stories of the deep. These are but glimpses of Pakistan's myriad marvels, and they're waiting for you to discover and explore. To lose yourself in the enchantment of these landscapes and find a piece of yourself in the process. Now we turn to you, dear viewers. Which part of the world would you like us to explore next? Please comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more of these journeys to you.